SES institution believes in nurturing children not just academically but socially and emotionally also. Their vision of providing a secure and enriching learning environment,
but at the right intensity, giving them the right motivation and encouragement. Never be too harsh on them, nor be ignorant about what they do. Please be a part of their daily activities and their life, because soon they'll fly out the nest and you'll never get these days back.
SES, we are committed to staying at the forefront of educational innovation, leveraging technology and best practices to deliver a world-class education that prepares our students for success in an ever-changing world.
A beautiful morning to all of you gathered here, and a warm welcome to all of you for the Convocation Ceremony 2024-25. Ladies and gentlemen, I now request you to put your hands together for the stars of today, our little graduates, as they walk into our midst with lit candles symbolizing the light of knowledge. Let us join our senior KG students as the leaders in prayer.
Be a light, be a star, be a candle in the dark. You can shine like a city on a hill. Give your hand, give your heart, give the very best you are. Be the salt of the earth if you will. You can help and serve somebody you know. Share your light and love wherever you go. For life can be blessed and bright when you choose to be a light. Always seek to be meek. Don't get angry or upset. Never swear or call anyone a fool. Just forgive and forget, for nobody's perfect yet. Never judge other folks, it's not cool. You can help and serve somebody you know. Share your light and love wherever you go. For life can be blessed and bright when you choose to be a light.
I now invite Ms. Preeti to officially welcome all the dignitaries and everyone gathered here for the Convocation Ceremony.
And a very warm welcome to our Preschool Convocation Ceremony 2024-25. We are here today to celebrate the achievements of our little ones, and we are so thrilled to have you all join us for this special occasion. It brings me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, Professor and Head, Speech Pathology, Father Muller College, Speech and Hearing, Mangalore, Director of Speranza, Mangalore. We are truly privileged to have you with us today, Dr. Kaur, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude for accepting our invitation. I request Dr. Rajni Sorake, President of SES Group of Institutions, to welcome Dr. Kaur. Thank you, sir. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Rajni Sorake, President of SES Group of Institutions. Sir, we are grateful to you for the timely support and guidance we receive from you always. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request our principal, Mrs. Vinia D'Souza, to extend a floral welcome. We extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Amarnath Sorake, Founder President of SES Group of Institutions, in his absence. We extend a warm welcome and express our sincere appreciation to Dr. Abhinay Sorake, Secretary of SES Group of Institutions, and Mr. UK Khalid, Administrative Officer of SES Group of Institutions, for their support and dedication. I extend a very warm welcome to our beloved Principal, Mrs. Vinia D'Souza. Welcome to you, ma'am. I request Ms. Charishma to extend a floral welcome to ma'am. A warm welcome to Dr. Jacinta Meena D'Souza, Vice Principal of Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College. I request our Principal, Mrs. Vinia D'Souza, to welcome ma'am. On this occasion, I extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Kabinale Balakrishna Bharadwaj, Principal of SES First Grade College. I request our Principal to welcome sir. Professor Rajaram, Principal of SES PU College. I request Principal to welcome sir. Mrs. Helen Lobo, Principal of SES Riverside International Academy. Welcome to all the dignitaries, teaching and non-teaching staff of SES Group of Institutions, friends, well-wishers and family present here today. It is with your constant encouragement that we have been able to come this far. Once again, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all present here. Thank you.
Now I request our principal to confer the degree.
In the authority vested in me as the principal of SES Preschools, it is both an honor and a privilege to formally confer upon you the distinguished title of kindergarten graduate. Congratulations.
This is the moment our graduates have been waiting for. We now move on to the convocation ceremony. I request the parents to accompany the award as they stand in line to receive their convocation certificates. Request you to follow the instructions given by the teachers, please. I hand over the mic to the class teachers of Mont 3, Miss Jayalakshmi, Miss Rupika and Miss Ashnita to do the honors.
She is hardworking and greets everyone with a smile. She is a well-behaved child. I wish her a very bright future. God bless you, Adhika. Aishani is a very innocent and a soft-spoken child. She is liked by everyone. She has a enjoys the activities during class. She is a well-mannered child who actively participates in group activities. She shows respect to her adults and her peers. She is a happy child who loves school. Darshit is a confident child. He is kind, helpful, and a well-mannered boy who actively participates in all activities. He has a beautiful handwriting. He is an independent thinker. Elon Julian Costa. Elon is a very kind child. He always has a sweet smile. He respects others' belongings and follows the teacher's instructions. He is always up to date with his classwork. He is very attentive, kind, helpful, and sincere. Gauri is an active, well-mannered, and hard-working child. She is an active listener. She is a very punctual and does not distract others. Liban Salam Muhammad. Liban is a bright and obedient child. He is always prepared for his class and never gives the teacher a chance to correct him. Mokshit Prakash. Mokshit is a polite, kind, well-mannered and obedient child. He has a beautiful handwriting and is a perfectionist at everything he does. He is very independent and takes responsibility for his own work. Nuzay Muhammad Ali. Nuzay is a fun-loving, friendly and a smart child. He always has a sweet smile, does not initiate conversation but enjoys attention. He is kind and helpful to everyone in class. He is a well-mannered child who actively participates in all activities. I wish him good luck for the future. God bless you, Nuzay. Reyansh is a very active and expressive child. He displays a friendly and pleasant attitude. He is very punctual and completes his work on time. Shreya G. Shreya is a pleasant and fun-loving child who gets along well with others. Surya D.S. Surya is a sweet, fun-loving and smart child. He mesmerizes his teachers with his cute smile and gets away with everything. He has a wonderful sense of humor. He is very imaginative and relates to daily life topics discussed in class. Tasmai Siti. Tasmai is a polite, kind, mindful child. She does not give up easily and possesses leadership qualities. Vikrant Prajapati. Vikrant is a polite, well-mannered and good, obedient child. He asks a question when he is confused and just tries to understand concepts well.
I would like to welcome Dr. Meena Sarake to the convocation program. Hearty welcome to you.
Advita R. Anchin. She is an enthusiastic learner, tackles new tasks eagerly with a positive attitude. She always participates in the competitions conducted in school with excitement and tends to work at good pace. I wish Advita all the very best. God bless you, Advita. She is very well behaved during class time and has outstanding vocabulary skills. I wish you very bright future and God bless you, Amera. Aryan Singh. He is a loving child and always shows great interest in mathematics. He chooses to spend free time with friends. She has a good grasping ability and takes active part in the learning and other activities. She excels in reading. She's a fantastic dancer. I wish Ishani good luck. God bless you. Krishna Priya. She's a loving child with a sweet smile. She enjoys singing and has a wonderful handwriting. She keeps the place very clean and tidy at all times. It has been a joy to be her class teacher this year. We shared many fun moments while exploring and learning together. I wish her all the best as she continues on her educational journey. He likes to get rewarded with a star. He's a good friend to all. He enjoys rhymes and dance fitness sessions. I wish him a very bright future. God bless you, Priyansh. Drive her learning in powerful ways. She's always an active participant in group decisions. She always asks questions and participates in the competitions conducted at the school with excitement. I wish you all the best. He keeps everybody entertained. He has been a joy to be in his class this year. We shared many fun moments while exploring and learning. I wish him all the best as he continues on his educational journey. Thank you.
Arya Chaitra Vadu. Arya is an active and affectionate child. She arrives to school each day with a smile. She has a well-developed vocabulary. She is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school. She is kind and helpful to everyone in the classroom. She never gets upset even when her teacher corrects her. Always gives a cute smile. She is a joy to have in class. All the very best. God bless you, Arya. She always takes pride in her work. She is a hard worker. No matter what the task, she is ready to accept the challenge and do the best she can. She displays and talks about personal items from home when they relate to topics of study and always asks for clarification when needed. He has shown a great improvement both academically and socially. He likes to listen to stories. He feels very happy when he gets rewarded with a star from his teacher. He likes to mingle with everyone. He always likes to compete with his friends while writing. He prefers supporting and observing his classmates rather than taking center stage. He always has a cute smile on his face. To avoid distractions, she takes her classroom work seriously and demonstrates responsibility when completing them. She enjoys conversation with friends during free hours and tends to work quickly. God bless you, Sashrika. And she has shown noticeable improvement both academically and socially. She chooses to spend time with her friends and prefers engaging them rather than competing with them. She thinks Kauza is a dedicated learner who is always ready to respond with relevant and engaging questions. His presence creates a fun and sweet atmosphere in the class. Always likes to compete with his friends while writing. He is always the very first student to begin working on the task that is given and very enthusiastic about completing his work. He loves to come to school. She loves to dance and also enjoys listening to stories. She is a silent child who never distracts others or troubles teachers. He enjoys singing rhymes with action. He likes to explore the classroom and the materials used in the classroom. He feels very happy when I reward him with a star. He keeps everyone entertained in the classes. She is respectful and considerate. She is a fantastic listener. Her desire to learn and grow means a lot to me as a teacher. She is very sensitive. She is always particular about her things and she keeps her belongings and workspace neat. She uses class time wisely. She always puts a smile on my face with her positive attitude. God bless you, Uppi. Thank you.
Now we will have the distribution of the Golden Early Reader Award presented to the students for their progress in phonemic awareness and decoding words under the Jolly Phonics program. May I now request our chief guest to do the honors and other dignitaries on the stage to join them. From the enchanted forest, Bikarnakatte, we have Shlagya Shetty. Amaira Fatima Salim. On the occasion of Women's Day, we had organized Cooking Without Fire competition on the 15th of March 2025 for the parents and women of this institution. We will now distributing the prizes. Now I would like to call upon the winners to receive the prizes. Savita and Smita. The second prize winners are Soumya and Pushpalata. Was backed by two teams, Nikita and Asha Seth, Rashmika and Atmika Alwa. We have with us today Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, Director of Speranza, a center for people with communication delays like autism, Down syndrome, and also for adults with speech and language disorders. Head of the department and professor at Father Muller's College, Department of Speech and Hearing, Mangalore. She is working with children and loves training students and parents in her specialized field. Author of Body Awareness for Children with Autism, a guidebook for parents. She has also published papers on mazes in typically developing bilingual children, noun processing in Kannada, English bilinguals, perceptual adaptation to natural, fast and time compressed speech, lexical access through semantic memory task in at risk, leading disabled children at different conferences. May I now request today's chief guest, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, to give her message.
A very good morning to everyone. I am really honored to be here today at this convocation. Honorable dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, respected principals, teachers, parents, and superstars of today. I really envy every kid here because as a kid, I haven't ever got a convocation, at least till I was in my 20s. So I'm sure when these little children are going to look at these memories later in their life, they would feel really motivated and successful. Success, we all define it differently. Maybe for some, waking up in the morning for a jog is a big success. For some, just sitting back with a cup of coffee in the middle of the day is a success. And for some of us, submitting our projects at work is success. So for each one of us, success is defined differently. Whereas I'm sure as parents, our definition of success is same. We all define our success by these little children achieving different things in life. We all feel an immense sense of pride when we see these children excelling in various domains. So dear parents, I'm sure all of you are feeling this pride in you when you see these children receiving their awards and medals. Now, it is said that it takes a whole village, not one person, a whole village to make a child achieve something. So this village could be teachers, of course could be parents, could be neighbors, could be mentors, could be anyone, uncles, aunts, anyone who helps the child learn something. At that, I really appreciate and I admire institutions like these. SES institution believes in nurturing children not just academically, but socially and emotionally also. Their vision of providing a secure and enriching learning environment shines through every corner of this place. On this, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rajneesh and his team, every single person in his team, for working day and night for these kind of institutions. I am sure with resources like these, only with resources like these, our children would excel in their life. At that, I'm sure there's one person who has worked day and night, who's worked tirelessly for all these, organizing this event, this beautiful day. The stage, I think the teachers have made all these cards. So there's one person who's the leader of all this, and that is our principal, Madam Miss Vinaya. I would like to congratulate you, ma'am, for being such a good mentor to these children. When we see these children, when we listen about their achievements, I'm sure a mentor like you, who's strong, confident, and of course beautiful, is going to have a lasting impact. Apart from children, who I call superstars, apart from them, if somebody should be called a superstar, then that should be their teachers. These teachers, I'm sure, have not taught only ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. They have stood by these children physically, morally, and at every point in this whole year. So congratulations, dear teachers. You have nurtured another successful batch of students. You surely give future to this world by teaching these children and nurturing them in the right direction. Once there was a child there was a small child who found a box of paints somewhere lying. He also found a small piece of paper. He ran and he started searching for some sticks, some leaves, some spoons, everything possible, and he opened this box of paints. He opened it, started painting on that piece of paper. So he used his hands, he used everything possible and came up with something. He was really excited and he ran to his father. He said, "Daddy, Daddy, look at this. See what I've made." The father looked down and all he could see was soiled clothes, messy hands, paints all over the walls, everything possible. He saw his painting, after this, he saw his painting, and instead of pointing out to these problems, instead of saying, "Oh man, who's going to clean your clothes and these walls?" Instead of this, he said, "Wow, that looks impressive. Please explain to me, what have you done?" That simple moment of encouragement sparked something in this child. He started pushing himself to explore more. He started creating more paintings. He started doing more of all this. This boy grew up to be Pablo Picasso, the painter, the famous painter we all know of. So that's the power, dear parents. When you focus on efforts and not the outcome, you nurture confidence. When you listen, you make children believe that their voice matters. When you believe in them, they start believing in themselves. So congratulations, dear parents, on your big day also. And continue to successfully nurture these children, patiently listen to them, and constantly believe in them. At last, these superstars, look at all of you. You all are so smart, so confident, so grown up, and ready for your big day. Today is your special day, and we all are so proud of each one of you. You have learned new things in this 1 year. You have made new friends, and I really wish you continue to be successful in all the coming years. Remember, children, this world is like a big storybook, and you're just at the first page. Continue to explore more, continue to ask why questions every single day, and learn new things. So, give yourself a big round of applause and shout out loud and say, "We did it. Another year, we did it." Thank you so much, everyone, and congratulations.
Now I request our principal, Mrs. Vinaya D'Souza, to give her message.
Ladies and gentlemen, my dear graduates and all the dignitaries on stage, a beautiful morning to all of you. I promise to keep it really short because I can see my babies getting restless. Today is a beautiful morning, a morning of jubilation and celebration. Let me begin by congratulating our tiny graduates. Congratulations to all of you. You have done it. And I'm sure these 3 years were not a joke. So congratulations once again. Congratulations to all of you, dear parents. Your support meant a lot to all of them. I have just 3 points for you to ponder upon. Now, as you know, our theme, metamorphosis. It means the life cycle of a butterfly, right, doctor? Fine. So, what happens here is your tiny ones come to us, some of them as caterpillars, and some of them just out of the pupa. And well, here they are, all set to fly. And when this happens, dear parents, you have a very important role to play. Let me give you this analogy. You are the wind beneath their wings. So make sure you blow at the right intensity, not too hard. Their wings may break. Not too soft, that they will never feel your impact, but at the right intensity, giving them the right motivation and encouragement. Never be too harsh on them, nor be ignorant about what they do. Please be a part of their daily activities and their life, because soon they'll fly out the nest and you'll never get these days back. Secondly, you are the leaves they would come back to rest upon from time to time. So make sure you're fresh and strong. Take care of yourselves, your health, your finances, because these children need you, or else whenever they come back to rest upon you, they will find you withered and dry. Never let that happen. The third and last point, you are the flowers from which they will come back time to suck the nectar. Make sure your nectar is not too sticky, or they will stick on to you and never be independent in life. Let your nectar be sweet, so they are filled with the encouragement they require to fly up high. And as they fly up high, you will see them soar to real great heights with a beautiful and bright future. So once again, I end by congratulating my little graduates. It's a bittersweet moment for all of us at preschool. We are going to miss you. We love you. Never forget the values we have taught you. Always respect your elders. Thank you so much.
It is my pleasure to invite Dr. Rajneesh Sorake, President of SCS Group of Institutions, to deliver the presidential address.
Esteemed teachers, distinguished guests, and most importantly, our young graduates. I'm honored to stand before you today to celebrate the convocation of our preschool students. Today we gather to acknowledge the remarkable growth, achievements, and experiences of our young learners. As we celebrate this milestone, I would like to highlight the importance of values like compassion, gratitude, respect, and empathy in early education. These values are essential in shaping our students into caring, responsible, and thoughtful individuals who will make a positive impact in the world. Compassion helps our children develop empathy and understanding towards others. Gratitude teaches them to appreciate the good things in life. Respect helps them value diversity and individuality, and empathy enables them to connect with others on a deeper level. By instilling these values in our students from a young age, we are giving them the foundation they need to succeed not just academically but also socially and emotionally. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the pillars of our school, our head, teachers, and all the staff members, including our bus drivers, housekeeping staff, canteen staff, maintenance team, and security team. Your tireless efforts, dedication, and commitment to our students' well-being and education have been invaluable. As we look to the future, we recognize that the educational landscape is constantly evolving. At SCS, we are committed to staying at the forefront of educational innovation, leveraging technology and best practices to deliver a world-class education that prepares our students for success in an ever-changing world. In line with the government's national education policy, we have been working to further enhance our curriculum and teaching practices. We have already introduced play-based learning and technology integration in our classrooms, and which have shown remarkable results in fostering creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in our students. With a legacy built on nurturing future leaders, SCS continues to be a beacon of excellence in education. We are proud of our heritage and our commitment to providing our students with a holistic education that fosters academic excellence, creativity, and character development. As our preschool graduates move on to the next stage of the educational journey, I would like to take this opportunity to invite you parents to consider continuing the education with us at SCS Riverside International Academy for Grade 1. Our academy is already setting benchmarks, and we are confident that your child will thrive in a nurturing and supportive environment. By extending your trust in us, you will be providing your child with a cohesive and continuous educational experience, one that builds on the strong foundation laid in preschool and propels them towards a bright and successful future. To our young graduates, I would like to say that we are incredibly proud of each and every one of you. You have grown, learned, and flourished in our preschool, and we have no doubt that you will continue to shine in the years to come. As you embark on this new chapter, remember that the love of learning is a lifelong journey. May your curiosity be insatiable, your creativity be boundless, and your passion for knowledge be unwavering. We can't wait to see the amazing things you will achieve. I would like to end with a big thank you and congratulations to all our graduates, parents, teachers, and staff on this special day. Thank you, one and all.
I now request Ms. Charishma to deliver the vote of thanks.
On this day, we are thankful to the Almighty for the blessings He has bestowed on the SES family. I owe my gratitude our chief guest of the day, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, for presiding over today's convocation ceremony. Ma'am, your presence here has enhanced our joy. Today, we had the opportunity to hear your thoughts. I request our principal to hand over a token of gratitude to Dr. Kaur. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank Dr. Rajneesh Surake for his benevolent presence, relentless support, and guidance always. I request our principal to hand over a token of gratitude to sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank our principal, Mrs. Vidya D'Souza, for her dedication to our school's success. It is evident in the achievements of our students. Thank you, ma'am, for your exceptional leadership and always striving for excellence. I would like to thank all the heads of SES institution, Mrs. Meena D'Souza, Vice Principal of Karnataka Ayurvedic College, Dr. Lolita D'Souza, Principal of SES Institute of Nursing Sciences, Dr. Kapinale Balakrishna Bharadwaj, Principal of SES First Grade College, Professor Rajaram Rao, Principal of SES Riverside International Academy, Mrs. Helen Lobo, Principal of SES Riverside International Academy. I thank Mr. Nityananda, Admission Officer of SES Riverside International Academy.
I now call upon our graduates to present the graduation song.
If you see the
We are the dreamers, we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers, we make it happen. Cause we can see it. Here's to the one that keep the rest. Respect. Oh yeah. Here's to the one that can imagine. Respect. Oh yeah.
Today is a very special day for me. I have spent 3 wonderful years at SCS Preschool and every moment was filled with love, learning and laughter. From the very first day when I walked into the school, I was welcomed with warm smiles. My teacher taught me how to read, write and count. But more than that, they taught me how to be kind, share and make friends. Our principal, Mrs. Vinaya D'Souza, taught us how to greet our elders. She gives us a big hug every time we were sad. After my class, I spent my time in daycare, my second home. The loving aunties took such good care of me. They helped me eat, played with me and made sure I was always happy and safe. I made the best friends here and together we played, laughed and created beautiful memories. We shared our toys, told funny stories, but sometimes even fought, but always made up quickly. Now, as I moved to first standard in a new school, my heart feels both happy and sad. Happy because I am growing up and starting a new journey. Sad because I will miss my SCS family. Thank you for all the love and care. No matter where I go, SCS will always remain in my heart. I love you all and will miss you all. Thank you.
नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे हाँ है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो उतरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो उतरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से ओहो डिंग फटाफट डिंगी पापा डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर
My daughter Arya has done her SCS entire preschooling from SCS preschool Bikarnakatte. So I have been called here to share our experience as parents about this school. And I'm thankful actually because this gives us an opportunity to directly talk to who are present here. The main reason we chose SCS Bikarnakatte school was actually it was very close to our house. But retrospectively realizing we have made the best choice ever for the foundation year of our child, irrespective of the distance, really. Now, not that I have been called to speak, so I should speak all nice things. No, I have been told if I have any negative point to mention, please do it so that they will work for it and implement it and improve. But I tried to strain my little brain beyond capacity, but couldn't come up with any negative point, really. Because I have seen our daughter flourishing in this school. From a little girl blabbering ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4 to now able to speak sentences or perform or make sentences in English, do subtractions, addition without any fuss. She has negotiated with ease this tough curriculum which has been made for these small little kids nowadays with ease. And I'm sure this is only because of the loving guidance of the very able teachers of this school. Otherwise, I have never felt that stress on Arya or we as parents really have to bother about so much tough curriculum and all. She was already ready, she was always used to be already trained. She was always happy, motivated to go to school, never had a problem in going to school or crying or anything that I don't want to. I have never heard any complaints from her relating to school. The management, the staff, the teachers has maintained a very friendly, homely and a very approachable environment in the school. When we drop her to school in the morning, she is received with that warm smile. And we know that yes, she is in good hands, now we can go and do our routine. And when we pick her up back, she is that happy little child on her way back. Really, all this is possible only because of the atmosphere created in the school. She already uses those complicated, her vocabulary is so good, I think better than mine now because she tries to use those complicated words on me itself. And I would like to thank, appreciate, express my gratitude really to the management for that developing this type of culture in the school, to Principal Madam for successfully running it, for most respected teachers and staff, especially her teachers right from her nursery to UKG, Manjula Madam, Priscilla Madam, Jaya Madam, Ashmita Madam, Sushma Madam, and Vinuta Madam. Okay? And sorry if I have left everyone. Everyone has played really a strong part in my daughters. As Principal Madam mentioned, my daughter came as a little caterpillar and now flying it out as a little bird. Okay, my daughter was also attached to the daycare, as my daughter's friend Slavya mentioned, second home. Definitely a second home. And I would specially mention Miss Simple for her efforts, for her personal care, for her bond. Imagine those little lovely monsters creating a whole dangle in the daycare, but she is still warm. I am thankful to Vanita Madam for letting her chew her brains frequently, but still welcoming us warmly and getting clarity to our doubts. So whatever I have spoken here, I have really spoken from my heart. In the end, if I have to summarize our experience about SCS school, it was excellent. And I would say my kids' future is definitely bright. Thank you.
Little Moons Bikarnakatte entertain us with their performance.
There's something about tonight, something very special. There's something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Baby, you're so sexy.
For you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Then I see you looking at me. आजा बात कर ले दिल की. होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
Oh, disco divane.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔이 요리를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 아오면 심장이 두꺼워지는 여자 귤은 반준인한 여자 너도 선호해 낮에는 너무 더 살아온 건 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원통되는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 두근거리는 선호해 귤은 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 You don't know Hey you better know Hey 아름다워 사랑스러워 You don't know Hey you better know Hey 주먹밥도 닿기까지 가볼게 오빠 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일
Today I'm gonna speak about my school. My school has a beautiful play area, well-organized classrooms, and a loving ambience. I love my teachers and aunties who are very friendly and caring. I love swimming and other activities done at school. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, teachers, non-teaching staff and each and everyone who are helping me reach one of the milestones of my life. It was a great pleasure to be a part of SES Preschool. Thank you.
रफ्तार से चल पड़ी जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई
हमारा ये वक्त हमारा जो एक बार गया तो आए ना दोबारा समझ लो जरा ये हवाओं का इशारा मेरे यारो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो
I would like to invite Ms. Shama to speak few words about their experience and journey with SES Preschool.
It was an absolute pleasure to be here to speak about SES Preschool, a place that has become a second home for my daughter Amira. Choosing the right school for a child is one of the most important decisions for a parent. And I can confidently that SES Preschool has been the perfect choice for us. This school has not just education, it is about creating a loving and nurturing environment where children feel safe and happy and excited to learn. The well structured program, encouraging activities, and warm atmosphere makes every child feel valued, encouraged, and explore their potentials. I would like to extend my hearty gratitude to the teachers, staff, the principal, who play such a vital role in shaping these young minds. The teachers here are not only knowledgeable, but also incredibly patient, kind, passionate about what they do. They don't just teach lessons, they inspire creativity, confidence, and curiosity in every child. The non-teaching staff are also deserve special appreciation for their dedication, hard work in ensuring the smooth and caring environment for all. Seeing Amira's growth and happiness has been truly heartwarming. She loves coming to school every day, eager to share new things she has learned. Her confidence, communication skill, and independence has grown tremendously, and we owe so much to that wonderful guidance and support we received here. To the entire SES Preschool family, thank you all for unwavering dedication, your patience, and love you poured into your work every day. You are not just educators, you shape future. And we are deeply grateful to be a part of this family. Thank you.
Now we have students from Tiny Sprouts, Urva, to entertain us with their performance.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का, मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का, तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, बहुत रख लिया है सबर, हाँ अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, सीने पे चला ले आग, ना आंख बंद कर जी बंदया अब उठ जरा तू जा।
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुन ओ मुसाफिर, हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है।
डरना तो बंदया, रुकना तो बंदया, राह पे चल बंदया। डरना तो बंदया, रुकना तो बंदया, राह पे चल बंदया।
Good morning, respected President, Principal, Chief Guest, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today is a very special day, and I am so happy to be here with all of you. I started my journey in this school when I was 3 years old. Now I am standing here feeling so thankful for everything I have learned. I remember my first day at school. I was nervous, but my principal, teachers, and takers made me feel safe and happy. They were like a second family to me. Every day they helped me, took care of me, and made me feel loved. When I was scared or sad, they were always there to give a hug and make me feel better. Our teachers taught us so many things. They helped us to learn, count, write, and even sing songs. But the most important thing they taught us was how to be kind to each other. Our caretakers also took care of us, like our mom. When we felt sick or needed help, they made us sure we were okay. They gave us a lot of love, just like our parents. I'm very thankful to them for making us happy every day. This was my first school and it will be the best. I have so many wonderful memories here, playing, drawing pictures and sharing things with my friends. I want to thank my principal and teachers for teaching me with love, and my friends for being so kind, and my parents for always supporting me. Thank you everyone. The memories of my first and best school will always stay with me. Thank you.
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे,
on PhonePe.
अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे, भोली सूरत जान के हमसे नाटक बनाना रे, नाच नचा देंगे। छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे,
यारों जी भर के झीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो
मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे जन्म के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। जिंदगी मेरी सब ख्वाहिशां, मैं जीना मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह, मैं जीना मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह।
चिपक चिपक के चलती है कभी कभी तो राहें,
जुड़े जुड़े कुछ ऐसे के लगा हो जैसे गम,
डबल डबल होती थी जो कभी कभी तकलीफें,
किसी के संग में चलने से हुई हमसे कम।
ओ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा
किस्सा तिरंगी,
कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी। कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी, नॉर्थ साउथ की मिट गई देखो दूरी ही सारी।
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी,
50-50 हर सिचुएशन में हिस्सेदारी।
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होठ घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन, अरे चाचू ऑरेंज मैन, अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन।
A very good afternoon to the principal, management, staff of SCS school, parents and dear little children gathered here. It's my privilege and honor to address you all today on behalf of the parents on this convocation ceremony of the kindergarten section. It's been 3 years since my son Liban has been studying here, and I must say admitting Liban in SCS school was one of the best decisions that I could ever make. Initially, one of the major reasons for us to put him in this school was because we stay opposite the school building and thought commute would be very easy. But as days changed into months, I realized my son was feeling at home here as well. A school is very important for a child's development. Quality education is something which most of the schools offer, but a learning experience, a supportive environment, and a rich culture where different aspects of life are taught only in few schools. The teachers and staff at SCS are very understanding, encouraging, empathetic, and forgiving. These qualities are extremely important for teachers teaching play school and kindergarten children. For these children to come out directly from the warmth of their house into a world of unknown is quite difficult. So more than education, they need hand-holding, they need compassion, and they need the same warmth that they get at their house. And I feel really blessed that my son could get all that over here. Along with such an encouraging and beautiful environment, their teaching standards are also worth appreciating. Their timely update on what has been taught in the school and then sharing it to the parents through WhatsApp daily helps the parents to know about the curriculum. I definitely see a lot of changes that has happened in my kid. The way he has transformed from what he was to what he is today is truly amazing. This school has taught him to read well, write well, and recite wonderfully, enabling him to overcome his speech impairment. Today, he is good in both academics and extracurricular activities. He has knowledge on different festivals celebrated in the country. He also has a strong liking for dance, music, and singing as well. He also has made some good friends and thereby been able to socialize with people of different age groups very comfortably. Overall, my son has changed a lot, and I proudly say he has changed for good. And I'm extremely thankful to the principal, Mrs. Vinay D'Souza, teachers, non-teaching staff, and everyone who have made both him and us feel so special. I wholeheartedly wish SCS School many more such successful years to come and would recommend everyone to ensure their child's first year in education starts here. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashil and I am a Montreal student. I would like to invite our beloved principal ma'am, amazing coordinators, and our dedicated teachers on the stage. Today is a truly special day for all of us. As a token of our sincere gesture, of our thanks and admiration.
To express our heartfelt gratitude to our principal, coordinators, teachers and aunties for their unwavering love and support. So sit back, enjoy and let's make this moment memorable together. Thank you.
Shukriya, shukriya. शुक्रिया शुक्रिया आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपकी समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
Thank you everyone for being a part of this special day. We wish our graduates all the best as they move on to new adventures in their educational journey. Thank you.